Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on direct messages on your following on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to your profile here on this window, then you just go up, you click here on up, then it's going to show for you this window, then you just click here on settings, then you come to a settings window here, then you just click here on social permissions, then you come to this window here, then you just click here on message settings, then you come to this window here, and you just click here on following, then you come to following window here, and you just click here on direct messages. And like you say now, that's color show for us, that's mean the direct messages it's to turn on to following. So thank you for your watching, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.